Hello everyone, Brian from Innisfil Creek Honey. Today we're going to discuss treating our bees for Varroa Mite without actually using a treatment. Many people are opposed to using outside chemicals or outside substances inside their beehives. And for those people, there is a way to treat your bees for Varroa Mite without actually using an outside chemical. This green frame here is called a drone frame. A drone frame has a cell size stamped on the frame that is larger than a worker bee cell. And it was found that if you stamp the cells larger, the bees will draw out those cells. And if you place the drone frame in your brood chamber, the honeybees will draw out those cells and only lay drone eggs in those cells. Varroa mite are a natural mite that was indigenous to Asia and was a parasite on the Asian honeybee. The Asian honeybee is smaller than the European honeybee, and in the Asian honeybee hive, they only breed in the drone cells. So it was found that if we put a drone frame inside the hive, that the Varroa mite will gravitate towards that frame because they like that larger cell size to breed in. So we put the drone frame in our brood nest. The bees will draw it out, they'll lay drone eggs. The Varroa mite will gravitate towards that frame. And then following the life cycle of the drone cells will start to be capped around 10 days after laying. And the drone will hatch approximately 24 days after the egg was laid. So we leave this frame in the hive for about 18 days. And at 18 days, we pull this frame out, and all the cells will be capped. And under those cells will be drone larvae, and also a large amount of Varroa mite. We take the frame out, and then we insert another frame of drone comb back into the same spot. We take the frame we took out and we put that in our freezer. The freezer, after 24 hours, will kill all the drones and will also kill all the Varroa mite. We leave the frame that we put in there for 18 days. At the end of the 18 days, we take that frame out, and then we place the frame in that has all the dead drone and Varroa mite in it. And the bees now will go to that frame, uncap all the cells, pull out all the dead drone larvae, and also throw out all of the dead Varroa mite. They will then lay more eggs, more drone eggs in that frame. The rest of the Varroa mite will gravitate towards that frame. They will cap it, and at 18 days, you do the same process. And if you do this process throughout the year, you can maintain a level of drones or Varroa mite in your hive at a low enough level that your bees will be able to thrive. So there's another way to treat for Varroa mite without using chemicals. It is a little more labor intensive than treating with some of the chemicals, but if you are a natural person, you want to treat your bees naturally, it is an option for you. Brian from Innisfil Creek Honey. If you ever need anything, please let us know. Give us a call, send us an email. And remember, hive health is one of those things that we're always striving for. Have a great day.